If you are a person who want to start a YouTube channel in 2025 but you hate being on camera, what if I told you you don't need to show your face or even use your voice? I started a faceless history channel using text and AI, and guess what? It works. It totally works. In this video, I will show you how to turn simple text into fully edited voice narrated videos using InVideo AI. No editing experience required. You can start today, build your brand, share your ideas, all without being on camera. What you need to follow is you need a browser, a short script. You can use ChatGPT to generate it, an InVideo account, free or paid. Mostly, if you are starting, then it's a free account. I will also show you how to use this strategy to build your personal brand, even if you are starting from zero. I run a history focused YouTube channel which currently has 670 subscribers, and it is growing very good, and the videos are based totally on InVideo.ai, and I have a lot of shorts as well. So today I will show you how to create a complete script using AI automation. So I will ask ChatGPT to act like a YouTube expert who has more than 15 years of experience and give me 300 character script for history. It will gain all the necessary things and it will give you a script. So basically it gave me something like in 1969 two countries landed on the moon but only one got the spotlight. So I will basically copy the script, then basically type InVideo.ai, InVideo.io. It will open this. So this is the website. It has recently launched the version 3.0, so and it's now live. So basically first you need to sign up if you are a new person using InVideo. I am a old person using that, so I will sign up. It's taking a time and it's logged already, and I will just copy paste the script that I got from uh, ChatGPT. Then I will ask create short video. I will type the topic here, and then I need it to be fast paced. I will you if you are a paid customer, you will get generated clips, generated images. For now I will only use only stock media. You can tell the background music to be fast and energetic. Then you can tell the language as well. You can make Hindi videos or Telugu, anything, any language that you know, you can make that. And I can basically ask for subtitles as well. You can add bold subtitles with popping effect. Voiceovers, whatever if you want a male voiceover or a female voiceover, I will select that. Clear American voice. And music preference, if you want, use the best audio available, use YouTube audio library. You can choose any of this, and then I'll click continue, and then click on generate. So it's basically analyzing based on the prompt that you have given, and it will think and then react to that. So the title that it gave us, Untold Moon Race of 1969. So it's preparing. It will take some time, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. And then at last it will ask whether you want duration 45 seconds or 1 minute video. I am creating this for history buffs. You will use for maybe 45 seconds. You need to be fast paced, and it's used for platform YouTube shorts. Then I will continue. This might take few minutes, so we'll wait. It's analyzing, it's doing everything. And there is a notify when ready option as well. Now it's given me the video.
I bet you didn't know there were two lunar landers racing in 1969.
The video is good.
Apollo 11 got all the fame, but Luna 15 was right there too. What if it had won? In July
It's
1969,
good.
as Neil Armstrong took his
It's good.
giant
It's
leap,
good.
the Soviet Luna 15 was orbiting the moon, ready to steal the show.
And you can
Its
edit
mission,
as well
swoop up moon rock-
if you want to make the video more faster, or if you want to make it more longer. So you can type it and then click on generate again, and it will edit based on that. And here is the clarity video, and then you need to basically click on download. The premium version has no watermarks versions, and but basically I am a free version user, so I will click on stock watermarks normal, and the download resolution is 1080p. Then it will take some time because it's a free version. If you are a paid version, then it will instantly download it. It will take some time. It will do all of the downloads, and yeah, that's it. No editing required, nothing, no headaches. It's basically your complete video in just few minutes. You don't have to be a YouTuber. You can use this strategy to build your personal brand in any niche that you want. Teach what you know, like tech, marketing, finance, self-help, anything. Share ideas and thought leadership, or you can start a niche storytelling channel just like I did with history. Build your authority and anonymously if you want. You don't need to show your face, and with voice cloning tools like ElevenLabs plus video from InVideo AI, your digital twin can speak for you. Let's make this real. Comment below if you had an AI voice and a video editor that worked 24/7. What would your channel be about? I will pick one idea and create a sample video using InVideo AI. Drop your best topic below in the comments. InVideo AI plus a great script equal to a content machine. You can post numerous videos. If you want to create daily shorts, faceless reels, or build a powerful YouTube presence, this is your start. Subscribe if you want to learn more about AI content creation, faceless brand building, and turning your ideas into income. In the next video, I will show you how to automate thumbnails, captions, and scheduling so your content works while you sleep.